Hi there, we're back. After 4 successful Kickstarter campaigns, we now have redesigned a classic at the crowd's request. Our goal? To design a lightweight skillet with all the upsides of cast iron and none of the downsides. All gain, no pain. Meet the Buccaneer pan. It's rock solid and suitable for all heat sources, but without heavy lifting or hand burns, and all for a fair price. To use every day, for every dish, and to last a lifetime. As usual, we asked our 10,000 crowd cookware backers for input, and we invited you to test it. Right, guys? We tested their baking, frying, sautéing, roasting, and steaming capacities.
What's the first thing when you see when you open the box? Wow. Wow.
I thought it was really pretty.
Our new and improved honeycomb pattern ensures better substance distribution and prevents food sticking to your pan.
There's no sticking, no issues whatsoever.
But the non-sticking part is absolutely fantastic.
The Buccaneer is easy to clean and just as strong as a traditional cast iron pan, but then 50% lighter thanks to the pressed casting innovation, and for a fair price.
It was lighter than I expected. It was just the right height.
It is so light. I have a cast iron skillet, and the weight is not the same. It's really light.
I took 1 tissue, 3 seconds, and the pan was clean.
You can use the Buccaneer on all heat sources. And thanks to our coolest handle, burning your hands or tinkering with pot holders with cast iron is history from now on.
The pan heats up really well, but the handle stays surprisingly cool.
Not a problem at all to grab it with confidence and know you're not going to get burned.
Why is it called the Buccaneer? Well, that was our backer Sean's fabulous idea, and we loved it. This is how we create chef-grade cookware for a fair price with the crowd. Let's kickstart the Buccaneer now, a redesigned classic cast iron pan that finally solves all issues of cast iron.
Yes,
I already told my grandma she needs one.
I'm always saying to my girlfriend, "Oh, this pan is it's just amazing. I love it."
From 1 to 10, 100.